Hashicorp, Terraform number 4. We are deploying our MMO to a new server. So we're going to go to tinyurl.com/terraform-005. Yes, the numbering is off because we are on video number 4 here of Hashicorp Terraform, but the gallery is Terraform-005. I apologize for being off with that numbering. First thing I want to do is go to this URL up here. I typed it here, so let's just paste that into the browser so that we can work off of the gallery here. So prerequisites, I see prerequisites right here. And are we on that page? Okay, we got to scroll down to get there. Okay, cool. And are we going to click that? Yeah, I think we're going to click the, Terraform CLI. Let's click Terraform CLI right here. Brings us to a new page. Okay, so now we're at this URL. Oh, AWS? Is this really powered by AWS? I guess it must be. Okay, Amazon Web Services. I don't care how it's implemented as long as it works. I'm okay with that. Install Terraform. Where's that? Install Terraform. Okay, we're there. And then what's going on here? Install Terraform. Oh, we got to scroll down more. So wait, there's two things that say install Terraform? Oh, I guess there are, yeah. This says install Terraform. This also says install Terraform. Okay, interesting. And where are we now? Manual installation, precompiled binary? Is that what's going on? Install Terraform, manual installation, manual installation, manual installation, precompiled binary. So we want to install from precompiled binary using what, the appropriate package probably? Precompiled binary, appropriate package, precompiled binary, appropriate package. Manual installation, precompiled binary, appropriate package. Okay, so step 1, manual installation, then go to precompiled binary and appropriate package. So I guess there's really step 1, 1.5, 2. So go back down to here, we can see manual installation. Make sure we click this one, precompiled binary, and then click appropriate package. But we'll get to that in the next video because we're done. So go here for the next one, Terraform 006. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail, and if you want a longer explanation, you can go to this playlist. You're currently on this playlist. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm Kanji Coder working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a side-scroller Bomberman adventure with proximity mines that blow up vertically, horizontally, 4-way, and there's also instant kill mines.